We got it, guys!
Spirit Halloween clip.
Here we go at Spirit Halloween. Well. Let's go on the train.
If you dare to speak out loud,
Hey, zombie. What's up?
get to speak again.
Lock in, guys. Lock in. We're in the squid game. Go.
Anyways, back to doing the glue.
It's time to start gluing. So this is what we got so far. We got this, Anyways, we need a lollipop break. There we have some of the dish. Hello, guys. Let me get some noodles. Now it's time to cook the noodles. First, we fill up the pot halfway. And then we slide the pot onto the stove. And then we put it on high. Then we just wait till it bubbles. And now we put the noodles in the pot. Now we pour it in here. We put the seasoning in. And the pepper. Now we mix it up. Then we pour the noodles in. Now we eat. Our thing was a failure, but at least we tried. This is what happened. Oh, there's a